Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Woodchip Factory by CapAro on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro. And can we go inside? No, I don't think so. Woodchip Factory. Yes, it turns wood into wood chips. Nothing radically new or anything like that. And it looks like a fairly base game asset being modified for this purpose. Factories is where you'll find it. $200,000 to purchase. I believe it says daily maintenance is $0, so that's cool. 120 liters, 120,000 liters per month. Cost per month $48. 10 wood in, 35 wood chips out, so very generous production. So wood goes in there. It's going to take me a long time to get 100,000 liters of wood, so we're going to just do that. We are going to test containers. So if you load wood into a container like this one's a modified one, but it works exactly the same as the base game wood containers. Does this factory accept wood containers? And it should have went in there by now if it did. Let's just see if we do the sell wood. No. So if you're using containers, it's not going to accept it. So you have to put actually the raw logs here to load wood in. Now, if you're using auto load wood, it may work. I don't know. I don't have that loaded up right now. But we're going to turn this on. And we're going to turn on our... And look how fast that's going. It's going to chew that up pretty darn quickly. So it works very fast, as you can see. And so it says it does 120,000 liters per month. So even if you fill it up to the max, it's going to run out. And there's our wood chips. Actually, we can leave it there while it's chugging away. It will, whilst the factory is running, it will keep pouring out wood chips into your trailer. So that's one way of expanding your capacity, is just put a trailer under there and have it unload while it's producing, so that it will have more of a... Well, the wood chip capacity is 350,000 liters, so that's not a problem. It's your input, your wood going in. But anyways, that's really all there is to it. The Woodchip Factory. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.